Hey everyone, Morgan here from Soundbass. Today we are going to go over the step-by-step process of how to install the Soundbass Bose Universal TV Mounting attachment. The TVBS UNVL is a premium soundbar mount from Soundbass designed specifically to work with Bose Soundbars. With this attachment, seamlessly connect your speaker directly to your TV mount. Now, before purchasing your mount, why should you choose a TV mounting attachment rather than a wall mount? Firstly, no drilling. Secondly, experience audio that follows the action on screen with precision. And finally, clean and simple installation to your existing TV mount. Installers can create an all-in-one conferencing solution with a trolley-mounted TV system and soundbar. Custom installers can create the perfect clean installation for their customers. With floor-standing TV solutions, cantilever wall-mounted TVs, it works with most wall, floor or trolley-mounted TV systems. Its design is particularly beneficial for cantilever TV mounts, allowing your speaker to move fluidly with your TV. If you're looking for a wall mount, you can find our adjustable Bose soundbar mount on our website or Amazon. Our exclusive design allows the soundbar to slide back and forth, which is perfect for use on the Atmos soundbars that have upwards facing speakers that should not be blocked by the TV. Plus, it allows for easy access to the rear of the soundbar without removing it from the wall. The TVBS UNVL fits most TVs. It's compatible with VESA patterns from 100mm to 600mm. The soundbar mounting attachment offers great flexibility with above or below TV attaching. Our TVBS UNVL is compatible with the following soundbars: Smart Soundbar 300, 600 and 900, Soundbar 500, 550 and 700, TV Speaker, SoundTouch 300, Smart Ultra and the brand new Bose Lifestyle Ultra. So if your Bose soundbar has fixings on the bottom like this, then our TV mounting attachment will work perfectly fine. Removing and rehanging the TV is a heavy job and requires a minimum of 2 people. You should allow plenty of time and ensure you have all the necessary hardware and tools ready for the installation, plus a good amount of space to lay out your TV. It's also important to read the warning section of your manual. Very important weight warning is adding the Soundbass attachment adds weight to your TV mount. It's very important to ensure your existing TV mount can handle the additional weight to maintain a safe and secure setup. Experience audio that follows the action on screen with precision. Today we are going to show you how easy it is to mount your Bose soundbar to your TV using our TVBS UNVL. Now, the tools required, we're going to need only a screwdriver, a level, a tape measure, plus of course 2 strong sets of hands. Rulers and calipers are optional. Let's take a look at what you get inside the box. The mount comes with an array of VESA screws to attach to your TV. Don't let this scare you. TVs have a vast array of different fixing patterns called VESA patterns and hole sizes, so we've included everything you might need in the pack. So unlike our competitors, you'll have no unwanted trips to the hardware store mid-installation. First, you need to remove your TV from the wall or stand. Be sure to protect any surfaces from unwanted damage, from falling screws or leads by laying out a towel or similar below the screen. Ensure you have a clean space ready to lay the TV face downwards after it's been removed. Now it's time to unpack your soundbar. We've got the Bose Smart Soundbar 600 here to install. We're going to get the sturdy aluminium extrusion and the speaker fixing back brackets ready. You'll find we've pre-fitted the screws and locking blocks to make it as easy as possible for you to assemble. First, you're going to turn over your soundbar and remove the rubber pads to reveal the fixing screws. All Bose soundbars have these rubber pads except the Bose TV Speaker, which has a little rubber grommet. Now, take the 2 brackets and fit them to the soundbar using the speaker screws provided. Ensure the brackets are fitted correctly into the cutout Bose moulded into the bottom of the soundbar. Now, take the extrusion with the flat face facing towards the rear of the speaker. Slide the extrusion onto the brackets. Center the speaker. And tighten all the screws. Now disassemble the soundbar from the assembly. Now you have prepared this assembly for use later in the installation. Measuring the VESA and explaining the arm configuration. It's adjustable to fit VESA patterns from 100 to 600 wide, providing flexibility for various setups. Measure the VESA pattern for the TV. Fixing the arms assembly to the TV. So here you have the two mounting brackets. Currently this is the 100 to 200 configuration, but we've just measured our television and this has a VESA mount configuration of 300 millimeters. So we need to switch them over to this. In fact, this configuration works for 300 to 600 millimeters. The rear of the TVs vary a lot, so depending on your TV, the method will vary slightly. We show two versions in the manual as reference. The arms of the mount should install under the TV mount fixings in most installation cases. You may well need to use the washers and spacers to get the arms level on the back of the TV. The goal of this stage is to install the arms along with assembly. It's very important that the arms are flat on the back of the TV, otherwise the soundbar will not be level at the end of the process. If they're lifted or tilted in any way, the final installation of the soundbar will not be level when you look at the TV front on. Assemble the arms to the soundbar assembly loosely. We pre-fitted the sliders on the arms to allow easy assembly. Measure the distance of the soundbar brackets from the bottom of the TV, giving enough space for the soundbar. It's important to decide how close you want the soundbar to the TV. Attach the arms between the VESA loosely until in the perfect position. Remember to ensure the arms are installed at the same height to ensure the soundbar is level left to right. Make sure to choose the right size and length screws for the installation. Ensure they are not too long or short. Then rehang the TV. Double check everything is correct before going ahead. The checklist: arms flat to the back of the TV, spacing between the bottom of the TV and the soundbar bracket is enough and equal distances. All screws have been fully tightened. Don't forget to get cables ready for attaching, if accessing the back of the TV will be difficult after installation. Okay, we're now ready to remount the TV and install the soundbar. Let's go. Definitely a two-person job. Look at that. Okay, we've remounted the TV and we're ready to install the soundbar, but a couple of things to consider before you do. Now, depending on what type of TV mount you have, you might not have access to the soundbar once you've refitted the TV. So, advisable to plug in any cables that you might need into the back of your soundbar prior to installation. Now, we don't have that problem here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the soundbar in one hand, I'm going to take the screwdriver and screw in another, and that way I'm just keeping the soundbar safe while I install it, avoiding any possible issues. Here we have the final assembly. Let's get closer to the immaculate audio with Soundbass TV attachment. Order yours today and elevate your listening experience.